students. I hope you all are doing good today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the sounds that we hear in the environment. Children, in this lesson, you will hear sounds of different objects and animals, and you will have to guess whose sound is it. Yes, your guess is right. It's a bird chirping. Well done, students. You all are correct. It's a sound of a baby crying. Wow, it was a good guess. Yes, it's a sound of a doorbell. That's correct. The dogs are barking. Good job. Now you know that there are many sounds in the environment. Now let's play a game. I will blindfold your eyes and you will guess the sounds. So let's start the game. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.